Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect Trello with Email Parser, so you can automatically turn parsed emails into Trello cards. First, let's log into Zapier and start building your automation. Go ahead and click the Create button, then select Zaps from the menu. Great! Now we'll set up the trigger, which is what starts your automation. Click on the Trigger button here. We need to choose which app will trigger this automation. Search for Email Parser in the app selector and select it. Now you'll pick what type of event from Email Parser should start the automation. Select the event that matches when you want this Zap to run. Let's connect your Email Parser account to Zapier. If you're already signed in, choose your account from the list, otherwise log in, then click Continue. Here's where you'll configure any specific settings for the trigger. Fill in the required field with your preferences and hit Continue when you're ready. Time to make sure everything's working correctly. Click Test Trigger to pull in sample data from your Email Parser account. Perfect! Now we'll set up the action, which is what happens when the trigger fires. Search for Trello and select it as your action app. You'll need to specify what action Trello should take. Choose the event that describes what you want to happen in Trello. Just like before, we need to connect your Trello account. Sign in or select an existing account, then click Continue. This is where you map the data from your email to Trello. Fill out the required fields, customize them as needed, and select Continue. Almost done! Test your action to make sure it works as expected. Then click Publish to activate your integration. Excellent work! Your integration is now live, which means emails parsed by Email Parser will automatically create tasks in Trello, streamlining your workflow between both tools. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your Trello and Email Parser integration. Feel free to run through this again anytime.